Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleansing. Wash with a mild face wash and pat dry so the cream adheres. Then take a pea-sized 0.5 g amount and place small dots across your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Using light upward strokes, spread evenly until absorbed. This ensures thin, consistent coverage and avoids greasy buildup. Once done, let it settle for 1 to 2 minutes before layering any other product. Make sure to use sunscreen in the daytime, because the cream can alter perceived brightness. Continue by targeting drier or dull spots with a touch more product, about 1/2 extra pea, and blend outward rather than rubbing back and forth, which can irritate. Use small circular motions along the jawline and neck to maintain an even finish. These areas often need the most attention. If you need more coverage, wait 3 to 5 minutes for absorption and apply a second thin layer. Limit to 2 thin layers daily to prevent buildup. This layered approach gives control over intensity. To finish, seal the cream with a lightweight moisturizer or sunscreen. Do not immediately load heavy foundations or powders that can cake. If you experience redness or irritation, stop use for 48 hours and perform a small patch test on the inner forearm before resuming. This identifies sensitivity without risking your face. For uneven patches, incorporate gentle exfoliation twice weekly and reapply very thin layers afterward to even tone. If persistent problems arise, consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.